So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make game pass on roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, you can consider subscribing my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on any browser. So I will recommend you to use Chrome browser because it will help you to enable desktop mode on mobile. So you just need to tap on three dot and enable first of all the desktop site mode, because this website only can be accessible on desktop. So you have to enable desktop mode on mobile if you want to use it on mobile devices. So once you uh, once you tap on the roblox.com, it will take you to the login page first if you haven't logged in yet, and if you have logged in, it will take you to this home page. Once you reach this home page, now you have to tap on create tab to create a game pass. So guys, after new update, the interface has changed completely. So you have to follow all the steps to create game pass. So first of all, once you reach here in the creation dashboard, you have to be in the experiences tab. Now you have to tap on this image, tap on it. Now you have to tap on this menu button, this three bar, just tap on it, and now scroll down and you will see option here, associate items. So in associate item you will find all the game passes. Once you reach here, so you can see that there are three tabs. One is badges, passes, and developer product. So obviously you need to tap on passes to create game pass. So your all the game passes will be listed here. So if you want to create a game pass or make a game pass, you have to tap on this create a pass now. So now the interface also changed after a recent update. So now you don't have to upload any image to create a game pass. Usually it needs an image to create a game pass, but now you don't have to upload any image. So image option is now optional. So I'm not going to upload an image, but if you want to upload, you can upload in these formats: jpg, png, bmp. Now you have to enter the name of the game pass. It is mandatory to enter the name of the game pass. Now you can enter the description of the game pass. Now you have to tap on a create pass. Fine. So once you create a game pass, just once you click tap on this create a pass, your game pass will be created and will be listed here. So it is not done yet, you have to configure it. So to configure any game pass, you have to tap on newly created game pass, just tap on it to configure it. So after that update, guys, configuring the game pass is bit different before compared to earlier. So you have to tap on it. Now you have to again go to menu option, and now you have to tap on sale option. Now in sale you can set it up for the sale. So you have to enable this item for the sale by tapping on this toggle button. Now you have to enter the price of the game pass. So since the creator get 70% out of it, so if I enter 100 robux, you will get 70 robux. So once you set the price, now you have to tap on this save changes. So I'm gonna change this price to 90. So I will get 70%, it means 63 robux. Now tap on this save changes. Now you have your game passes, or your game pass has been set up for the sale. You just need to now go to the game please donate, and you just list your game pass. So if someone purchase your game pass from the please donate, you will get 70 robux out of it. So that's a nice way to earn robux on roblox. So hope you like it, hope you understood. So that's how you can get free robux. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.